So it's early February, we've just come down to the Brecon Beacons for a quick overnight camp in our usual spot where we like to come. We're not wild camping as such, not today. We've got tent pitched, we've only got the car there, so we've not walked very far, but we just thought we'd come out, enjoy the view. You can see Penny Fan up there in the snow. So we're hopefully going to have a nice steak on the fire later, and hopefully not get too cold. So we'll see you in a bit. Just going for a little walk, see if we can find any firewood for later. Surprisingly, nobody else camping tonight. Why can that be?
Ground's a bit soft on the old foot, but not too bad though.
Mountains look amazing with the snow on.
They do.
I think we've probably camped on this spot here more times
It's a favourite spot.
than anywhere else.
The one up there's quite good, but it's just a pain to
Yeah.
get to, isn't it? Yeah, it's a good spot. Lots of choices.
Just coming up to another really popular place we like to camp sometimes. That's just further on up the trail. It's just down there in that hollow. Nice and flat. You can get a good group down there and have a nice fire. Lovely place in the summer. Coming up to about 6 o'clock now, the sun's just set in, so Paul's just preparing some wood to start the fire. And then for tea, I don't know if you can see this in the light, use my head torch, but I've chopped up some potatoes, and I've got an onion and some garlic and some butter, and I'm going to wrap all that up in foil and put it on the coals. And then when that's done, we've got some nice big juicy rump steaks to put on there as well. So tune back in later and you should see those sizzling. There we go. That's the before. It's all ready to be wrapped up and fire's just started. So once we've got some decent coals, then we can have ourselves a nice steak. That is one toasty fire. Which is a good job because the temperature is hovering around freezing.
My little dongle one.
Your little what?
Just back here, innit? Right.
Look. 1.1 degrees. Yeah.
Wind chill minus half a degree.
Okay.
Cooling speed 3 miles an hour.
Hmm? A man who's mobile should never be party. If you get any closer to that, we won't need to cook any steaks later. Steaks are on, cooking nicely. Just as the light goes. Oh, that smells good. And hopefully, should be nice, some nice potatoes in there. That's the star of the show.
This is how we roll.
Well, the steak was a success,
Perhaps not stuck in the teeth.
which is not very easy to say.
You got anything you need to steak in your teeth?
No, it's all gone.
Is it?
I didn't even film it, sorry, because it looked so good, we just ate it straight away. But the potatoes and everything went down really, really well. So now we're going to have some mulled wine, which is just warming up, and maybe a cigar to finish.
There we go.
And that fire's really warm. Living the dream.
Son. Lots of ers and es and ums. Why have you got lots of ers? It doesn't always put me with ers in there. Do it again. I've got my head torch on. That's it. I'm looking up at the sky. What are you talking like that for? Do it again. Right. I'll get to the right from right. Yeah, I'll do it again, Ian.
Time for bed. 11:15. Fire's gone out, sort of. It's damn sight warmer in here than it is outside. And Paul's very happy with his new sleeping bag.
Oh, it's fantastic.
Is that right?
Nice and warm. Cool. Loads of room. Toasty.
See you in the morning.